Hey people, what's up? This is just a video to say hey, see what's going on in the world. I'm gonna be doing a couple of song videos in a second here once my computer actually works. It's being retarded. But so I thought I'd do a shout out. To Shalaby711. I love you, darling. You're my YouTube bestie. I know that sounds retarded, but you are. I do sound like a loser for that. Haha, insider. She's pretty awesome. She is always doing something and always uploading, and I mean, I give her credit. I mean, she's really good. All you haters, come. You have a problem with her, you can come to me. So, 'cause I don't care what people think. I'm my own. I'm me. So, yeah. I'm going to do a video in a second here. If you have any videos or songs you want me to sing, comment in the comment bar, please. And yeah, so pretty much it. But just want to say hey and what's up. So leave me some messages and stuff. Peace.